5 kilo masih jauh isi kan?
Welcome travelers to this new video. Qatar Airways will bring us from Amsterdam to Doha today on their Boeing 777. Today is a perfect day to fly, as I'm flying Qatar Airways business class for the very first time. Originally, this Boeing 777 should have had the Qatar Airways Q suite on board, but I got an email around 3 days prior to departure that there has been an aircraft change and there is the old business class product on board now. I'm using the Aspire Lounge today, which I get free access to thanks to my Priority Pass membership. I had a coffee and some food in the lounge, so let's head straight to the gate.
Hello, welcome on board. How are you doing today, may I? 5 kilo masih jauh.
Here's my seat 5 kilo for this flight. Let's have a closer look on it. So this is my place for the next 6 hours. There's a COVID protective kit at every seat, as well as an amenity kit made by Bricks. Qatar Airways also provides noise-cancelling headphones. The engine view from this seat is just amazing. Only 5 minutes after I got on the plane, the friendly flight attendant asked me what I would like to drink. I chose lemon mint as a welcome drink. She handed out a refreshing towel as well. Sadly, there was no hot towel service on this flight. the right side of your seat, you've got your seat controls. The blanket is very special and absolutely cozy. As you may have already seen, there's a water bottle inside here. Let's have a look at the, in my opinion, very high quality looking menu card. Qatar Airways offers dine on demand. This means you can eat whatever you want, whenever you want. There is a wine list with 2 different types of champagne, some red wine and some white wine as well. I ordered a glass of champagne and I got some nuts as well. As a starter, I ordered the lobster. And look at the presentation of the food, as well as those 3 little breads, which are baked together. There is some oil and some butter as well. For the main course, I chose the Atlantic salmon fillet with mushroom stew. The catering service on this flight was by Doha & Co. This is the beef, which I could have ordered. The meal was absolutely fantastic and very tasty. This is what the toilet looks like on this Qatar Airways Boeing 777. The toilet is quite small, but there is some facial water and some hand lotion. As I'm still quite hungry, I ordered the cheese plate. It comes with a bunch of bread, and I also got myself one more dessert. And it was cocktail time, so I got myself a Virgin signature cocktail. The infotainment screen can be controlled with this controller here. There's a very small privacy partition between those 2 seats. The selection of movies and series is on a very good level. And also, those noise cancelling headphones are doing their job very well. As we are already descending into Doha, the crew handed out some chocolates. The lights in the cabin were turned to a very spacey mood for landing. I have to tell you that the approach to Doha was very stunning at night. so let's enjoy it together.
Safety please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop. And
this flight was amazing. Although I was not flying Q Suite, my flight to Doha was absolutely fantastic. I think you have seen that the service of Qatar Airways is very good. I hope you enjoyed watching, like and subscribe if you want to support this channel. See you next time in one of my next videos.